It is a common misconception that AI tools like ChatGPT will replace finance professionals. If anything, it will only enhance their potential. Do you want to go deeper than just knowing how AI works for finance? Do you want to become a next generation finance professional? If yes, then join us on 28th and 29th October 11 AM to 4 PM for our advanced course on AI for finance professionals, where you can master the skills to use ChatGPT for advanced finance functions like in-depth competitor research, advanced Excel functions, advanced data analysis, storyline crafting for presentations, and many more. You also get a 1-month subscription to ChatGPT Plus, which is worth rupees 1,650. You also get 100 plus prompts and 25 plus AI tools for daily use worth rupees 7,000 for absolutely free. With real life scenarios, upskill your work communication and become an invaluable asset at work. Your trainer, Mr. Gaurav Mandlecha, is a director at STOA School and has spent more than 300 hours on AI and ChatGPT in the last 3 months itself. Do more than just the surface level with KAGR and book your seat right now.